Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you really quickly how I print full-size waterslide images that I use to apply large patterns to my cups. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I do this in Google Docs. This is a free program anyone can download. You can do this in Microsoft Word or any other word processing software that you have. You can also do it in Inkscape. First thing you're going to want to do is change the page setup by going to File, Page Setup, and you're going to set your page size to A4, and you're going to make all the margins 0. You want this large space to work on that matches the size of the waterslide paper that you have. Next, you got to find an image you want to put on your cup. You can look in Google Images, Etsy, Creative Fabrica. You just want to make sure that it's a large resolution size. So typically what I would do is search computer wallpaper or digital scrapbook paper and whatever kind of images I'm looking for. I've saved this image to my desktop so it's easy to find. And we're just going to hit insert, upload from computer, and there is the image that we're working with today. This is already a pretty large image, so it already fills the page, but you can also resize it really easily. Usually I'll want it to fill the whole page. Next, for print, we're going to go to File, Print, then we're going to hit More Settings. You're going to want to make sure that this page is set to A4 and then print using system dialog. So then I go to Preferences, Photo Printing. For my waterslide paper, I usually set the paper type to lustre, then A4, and then the print quality to high. Hit OK, apply, and print. Your printer preferences might look a little different in that window, but you never want to just hit File, Print, and go on with it. You always want to make sure that those print settings are optimized. So then for like a marble look, usually what I do for the marble, it's the same exact thing. But I want to show you guys, if you go to Etsy.com or Creative Fabrica or Creative Market, there's so many like digital design sources available for you online. So you can click, you can search digital scrapbook paper and you will find so many patterns. These digital scrapbook papers are usually what I use to print marble for my cups. So I've already purchased some already, so I'm going to be working with one of the ones that I purchased a while back. I have it saved to my desktop, and I'm just going to resize it. I try to always resize from those corner marks so that I don't distort the image. If you're going to be doing more than one image on the sheet, you'll want to change that little setting there about the margins and the breaks. See how I have that center one selected? And then I just keep resizing it until I get the part of the pattern that I want. And then I'll print it exactly the same way that I show you guys in the first demonstration. So additionally, you guys can also print smaller images in the same way. You would just upload them onto your workspace here and print them with these same kind of settings as I'm showing you here now. So this is a great resource if you're somebody who struggles to print larger images in Cricut Design Space, or if you're having problems getting really quality looking images to print. Okay, and the Waterslide paper that I use is Kodiak brand Waterslide. I do have an inkjet printer, and I only use clear Waterslide. I don't use white Waterslide ever or printable vinyl. I'm sure that all works great, but I just prefer clear Waterslide for everything. Make sure that you seal your Waterslide 3 or 4 times with a clear acrylic gloss sealer. My favorite is this Rust-Oleum 2x clear gloss. Alright, and once you've had your Waterslide sealed and it's all dried, it's ready to apply to the cup. You really don't want these to be sealed ahead of time because they tend to crack the longer that this spray sealer sits on the Waterslide images. So you'll want to apply it right away. Alright, and that concludes this tutorial. If you'd like to see how I apply my Waterslide to cups, check out some of my other videos. And be sure to look at our description box to find links to our new Facebook group if you need additional help. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.